Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video we're going to talk about filming practical special makeup effects and mechanical effects. Throat cutting scenes, and things like that. You can get those effects pretty much anywhere. As from my childhood watching horror, as we've all done, have learned to create these effects. Go out and buy some knives, grind the crescent into them. You can make a mold out of resin, which is much more safer, and that can be used as a throat cutting scene. On the back of there, tape some tubing and put a Hudson sprayer to the back of it right there. Your assistant offset, and off of the frame of the camera can go ahead and pump the blood through there, and that make it flow. Make sure the blood that you use is watered down for the flowing blood scenes. That's best. The blood that you're going to use on the victim's body, that is going to be more thick. So keep that in mind. All right? So for independent, experimental films, underground horror, experimental horror, no budget, low budget, also add in your background, such as what I've got here in this abandoned home. You'll also notice that I'm filming into the sunlight, which was in the past, which was a no-no. But today, it has caught onto a cult following from the films of the 60s and the 70s that I'm a big fan of. That adds into the greatness of the effect. Why would the perpetrator and the victim be in such a nasty place? Big question. That adds to the horrific ambiance of the film. And concerning the mechanical effects, gore effects, as Mario Bava, the famous Italian director, once said that his father had told him, the simpler the effect, the better effect to the audience. And this is very true. So keep that in mind. All right? So this is all great for 8mm, 16mm film, your vintage cameras, to get that great look. And it's going to really come out wonderful for your production. All right? Hope this helps. This is Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.